It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and we're going to do a little bit of a test and just see how good these chain sharpeners stack up. We're going to test the electric chain sharpener from Princess Auto and the 12-volt chain sharpener from Princess Auto, and just hand filing, and we're going to see which one comes out best.
I brought out the 3 saws because I didn't want to change over the chains in the cold as much as I have to. So one is the Power Fist electric chain sharpener. This one is the 12-volt chain sharpener. And this one here is the hand sharpen one. And what I have is the biggest tree I could find in the area, and it is a smooth bark hickory. I think it's called pig nut hickory. So I'm going to use that to do the test, and we're going to see how they cut. Okay, so this one here is the Princess Auto electric chain sharpener. So that one cut really nice. That's the one that's always done the best for me. You can just feel it cut nice. So we're going to show you the shavings. Okay, so this is the Princess Auto electric chain sharpener, you know, my bench one. This one always has worked good for me. So you have little chips, you don't have powder. You don't want powder, you want little chips when you're crossing the grain like that. So I'd say this is next to perfect. Now we're going to make another cut, and this chain was sharpened by the 12-volt Princess Auto chain sharpener. So we're going to see how that one works. Both these chains are cutting very well. I don't see any difference between the electric or the 12-volt. So let's go try the hand file and see if my hand filing got better. This is the hand filed chain, and it cut very well. It has little chips, it doesn't have dust, and compared to the 12-volt, I'd say it's not as good, but it's very close. I think it's between the Princess Auto chain sharpener and the 12-volt chain sharpener. The only thing is, I find the 12-volt one just felt like it was more effortless to cut through it. So feel-wise, I thought the 12-volt did a little better, but I don't know if it made much of a difference, really. I'd say they both tied.
So there you go. My favorite Princess Auto electric chain sharpener worked great, but that 12-volt chain sharpener did just as good of a job. So I'm pretty happy with that. So you guys have a good one.